say no. People in Northern Europe since medieval times, we found it hard to deal with when our dreams come true, as if happiness exists in the world at a fixed amount. And if you feel up, somebody somewhere else feels down. Taking on responsibility, knowing it will weigh you down. Freedom is a possibility only if you're able to say no. Taking on responsibility, knowing it will weigh you down. Freedom is a possibility only if you're able